Welcome back creators. In this video we will learn how to plant a money tree on YouTube in just 5 minutes. Take a look at this channel. It's making millions by creating simple inspirational story videos. Surprisingly, you can create videos like this in very short amount of time using AI tools. You might not believe it, but people love watching these videos. This niche is goldmine because there are so few people creating content in it. This means there is low competition, high demand and a great opportunity to grow quickly. And as you can see here, these channels are also monetized. If you watch this entire video, you will gain the magical power to keep your viewers watching the entire video. And after watching this complete tutorial, you will create videos even better than all these channels, and that's my promise. Here's an example of what we'll be creating. This will help you decide if this video is right for you or not.
Once upon a time, in a calm valley, there lived a super smart monk. This monk was like a human lie detector. He could tell what people were really thinking. One day, a sad guy came to the monk. This guy was always getting fooled and had lots of problems.
There are very few things you need to learn to master this niche. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Without any more delay, let's begin right away. In this video tutorial, we will use Google Bard, and just in a moment I'll tell you why. First, head over to Google Bard by visiting bard.google.com. After that, copy a prompt given in the video description. Before copying it, let's first understand this prompt. This prompt instructs the AI to write a story in a narrator style where a monk teaches a person who is struggling with unhappiness. So if you want to create a story with any other character, such as a Zen master or a wise old man, you can simply replace the word monk with that keyword. Similarly, if you want to write a story on any other topic, such as unhappiness, fear, addiction or failure, you can simply replace the word unhappiness with that topic. Once all set, then select a prompt and copy it. Next, return to the Google Bard and paste the copied prompt in the prompt box and then hit enter. As you can see here, Google Bard provides us a story in a narrator style where a person struggling with unhappiness. And it also provides us a meaningful moral of the story. Our next step is to convert this entire story into an audio file. For that, we are going to use 11 Labs. Let me just mention something before we get started. There is another way to write stories even better and faster, but I can't share that method on YouTube because it violates their community guidelines. I will leave a downloadable video link in the description titled Method 2. You must watch that if you are interested in creating videos like this. Alright, here's why you should use Google Bard for this niche. Google Bard can write stories in very simple and easy English. Sadly, but ChatGPT 3.5 is still struggling with that. As of now, ChatGPT 3.5 is not better than Bard for writing stories. Let's now convert this story into an audio file. First, select the story and copy it. Open a new tab and navigate to 11labs.io. Click on sign up, then sign up with your Google account. Head over to voice library and select a voice you like.
I'm not interested in age. People who tell me...
So is cheerfulness, or a good...
Failure doesn't mean you are a failure.
If we did the things we are...
I'm gonna continue with this voice, but you can choose any voice you like. Let's play the sample and see how it sounds.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
Once you select the voice, then click on Add to Voice Lab. Then click on Add Voice. Then click on Finish. After that, click on Speech Synthesis. Then click on this little drop down and select the added voice. And paste the copied story here. Then click on Generate. And here's our audio script converted using 11 Labs. Let's play it and see how it sounds.
Once upon a time, there was a person named John who was very unhappy.
Sounds good, right? But that's not all. Just in a moment, we are going to make it even more amazing. Now first, download it by clicking on this little download icon. The next step is to import this audio file into video editor, and I'm gonna continue with CapCut desktop version. After importing the audio file, drag and drop onto the timeline. Then select the voice and click on voice changer. Then click on voice filters and apply the mic hog effect.
Once upon a time,
set the room size value to 61 and strength value to 21. Then hit enter. Now let's play and see how it sounds.
Once upon a time, there was a person named John who was very unhappy.
You can make it even more better by adding background musics. I'm gonna use this background music, and the name of this background music is Mysterious Sorrow by Akash Gandhi, and it's also copyright free, and I downloaded it from YouTube. You can also use this background music without any copyright, but make sure to give credit to the creator. Now come back to CapCut and set this music as a background music. First drag and drop this music onto the timeline, then right click on it and then click on extract audio. We will keep the audio, but we don't need the video, so we will gonna delete it. Now select the background music and reduce its volume. Now let's play it and see how it sounds.
Once upon a time, there was a person named John who was very unhappy. He tried.
Now the only thing we need are images for this story, and we will create them using an AI tool. But before that, return to the Google Bard and give it a prompt to write images prompt for our story, and our prompt is like, write me images visual prompts for the above story. After that, hit enter. As you can see here, Bard also provides us images prompt for our story. Using these prompts, we'll create images in SDXL 1.0. You can also use other platforms like Leonardo.ai, Blue Willow, and Midjourney as well. After that, select the prompt and copy it. Then open a new tab and navigate to clipdrop.co. Then scroll down a bit and click on generate image. Now paste the copied prompt here in the prompt box and click on this little setting icon and select the aspect ratio. And before that, just first select the style. So I'm gonna continue with cinematic, and in the aspect ratio, select 16:9 aspect ratio, and you can also provide negative prompts if you want. After that, click on generate. Now select the image you like and download it. Then import that image in the video editor and adjust its duration according to the script, like how long you want it to be displayed. Now again, go back to the Google Bard and copy the second prompt. Then come back to clip drop, then click on back and then paste the copied prompt here and then click on generate. Now repeat this process for all scenes.
Once upon a time, there was a person named John. Once upon a time, there was a person named Talk to him. Excuse me, John said. Things that he was grateful for. He also made an effort.
This is how you can create inspirational videos in no time. And if you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Your support is immensely appreciated. Thank you for watching.
He tried everything he could think of to be happy, but nothing worked. He went to therapy, he took medication, he tried to change his circumstances, but nothing seemed to make a difference. One day, John was walking through the park when he saw a monk sitting on a bench.